Okay, we're okay so far.
Okay, we're going to do the Orbi G4. First thing I'm going to show you how to do is simple nozzle body. This right here is what we're making. First what you want to do is you want to take your 75 1846 bushings and they just slide on the inside of this groove right here. And there's another groove in here for a retaining ring that's right above the lip of this. Take this retaining ring right here. Start one side, push it in, use your thumb to work it the rest of the way in. Just eyeball it, make sure it's in the groove all the way around. Same thing, same process on the other side. Snap it right in. Nozzles, anti-seize, don't hurt these at all, just clamp right here in a vise like this. Make sure it's not a machinist vise with the ridges. These are flat brass vices, so they won't hurt the stainless steel any. And there you go, there's one of your nozzle bodies. Now we have the jig. This is our Orbi jig. All it is, has a slot in here cut out. Fits this piece right in there. Tighten this screw down. Secures it in place. Now what you want to do is you want to take your Orbi body. And there's a little tiny pin right here. It gives you 4 places to put it. You can put it in any one. You have to make sure though, if you're going to use 2, these are directly across. You have to make sure you have them directly across so you'll never get this down. You can pull them out with like a pair of pliers. Just make sure that this comes down and sits flush with the bottom of the Orbi. If not, you have to knock your pen in a little bit more and make sure that it's all the way in. Take your retaining ring, start at one place, snap it right in with your thumb. Y bushing down on the inside. Right, hit it. Just slide it all the way in until it pokes out right there. So it's flush. Have your washer right there. This goes in. Slides through just like so. A little bit of anti-seize right there on top. The socket you use on those is a 1 1/8. Tighten it right down just like so. Do a little bit of extra torque on there, make sure it don't come out. Should be spinning nice and smooth, no problems. Then you got your rotor. You know, put some anti-seize on the inside of your rotor because once it's down inside your body, you can't anti-seize it. Just slow it around in there a little bit. Make sure you get it nice and anti-seize. And in there, use 2 fingers. Get it started. Once you get it started, just goes right on around, goes right down in there, just like so. Then we have our little tool here, stick down in here. All it does is catch on one of the fins of that rotor. I just use a pair of adjustable wrench. Get a little bit of a snug to make sure it's in there nice and tight. Okay, next thing is water motor. Goes right inside of here. Sits right in there just like that. Little anti-seize. Right on here just like so. Take your nozzle bodies, one on each side. Lift up the body. These have to be set at 90 degrees of each other. One needs to be set at 12 and 6, one needs to be set at 3 and 9. Take your end pieces. You can get them finger tied up in there. Now we have another little tool here at Crane. All this was a flat tip screwdriver made for a ratchet, welded onto a bar, or you can just use the ratchet. It doesn't matter. We gotta be very careful with these, because if you over torque them, you'll twist the shaft in two. Just need to snug them up, and there you go. Torque the top piece to 8.
Okay, so I'm gonna draw.
There you go. Plated Orbi.